In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI's video generator. If you're looking to create stunning videos without the hassle of complex editing software, you're going to love this tool. Let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. First up, we'll want to go to Canva. Open your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, creating one is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, the real fun begins. Now, once you're on the Canva homepage, it's time to create a new design. You'll want to locate the button that says Create a Design. This might be at the top right corner of your screen, a place you're probably familiar with if you've used Canva before for other projects. Click on it and choose the format that suits your project. Given that we're focusing on videos today, make sure you select a video template. After your blank canvas is open, you will see a menu on the left side. This is your design dashboard. From here, find and click on the Apps section of the sidebar. This section is where Canva houses all its third-party integrations and in-house tools, including the one we need, Magic Media. In the search bar within the Apps section, type in Magic Media. It's a neat little tool within Canva that helps you generate video content using AI, perfect for anyone looking to spruce up their projects with ease. Once you've found it, you'll need to make sure you've selected the right tab. Look for the Video tab, as our focus is creating a video today. Selecting video ensures that you're using the correct functionalities that are specific to video creation. Now, it's time to get creative. You'll be prompted to enter a video prompt. Think about the video you want to create and describe it here. The more detail you provide, the better Canva's AI can generate content that matches your vision. This is a creative step, so take your time and be as descriptive as you need. Once you've entered your prompt, you can then click the Generate Video button. Make sure to give the tool a moment to work its magic. It will generate a video based on your input. After the video is generated, you'll see it displayed on your screen. Before wrapping things up, you might want to take some time to edit and customize the video. Canva provides a user-friendly editing interface where you can tweak and tune your video until you're happy with it. Add any text, adjust the clips, or change the background music if needed to make it truly yours. Finally, once you're satisfied with your video creation, click on the Share button. From there, you can download your video as an MP4, save it to your device, and there you have it. A beautifully crafted video using Canva AI's video generator, ready to be shared wherever you like. And there you go, you've successfully used Canva AI's video generator, making video creation a breeze. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time.